everyone. We all know that HayDay came with an update on 31st October and it is total mess. So about update, they post this on Facebook on 1st November. Howdy farmers, a couple of important announcements about the derby and roads. They provide the links for the derby and the problem about the roads, and they said please read both. So as we can see, there are angry faces reaction on post and 4.3k comments. So I go through many comments and 98% of the comments are people explaining problem they are facing after update. So let's go and check out announcement about roads first. In this announcement, they said HayDay mini update is coming. As you can see, Supercell thanks all about feedback and reports. And after discussion with the team, they decided to come up with mini update that will fix all problem. Okay, now about the roads. They post roads keep on feeding animals all the time, but after the update, she will only feed animals if you ask her to stock up of something. I presume that what the majority of you guys would prefer. Okay Supercell, you're going in the right direction. Secondly, they said that they don't know how much time it will take to come up with update, but they already started working on same. And in the end, they give a note that update will not correct this week's derby. Now, I will show some problems players are facing and which they posted in comments. Sarah commented, I have no idea what Rose is doing. Rose ruined my milk task. I have no milk, no cow food or soybeans. The paper is just eggs and I will not be using them in future. Yes, if you have collect the milk task, then you are going to face the same problem, as milk collected by Rose will not get counted and only milk collected by you get counted. Lucia commented, this is the worst thing that you could have done for this game. I can't wait for this week to end so that I can let these two idiots sleep forever in their house. This is quite right too, as after 7 days Rose and Ernest are going to ask for diamonds like Tom, and many players who don't buy and use gems in this game are going to let them sleep in their house. Angela commented, also in the Daily Dirt, every single ad is egg. Nothing else in entire paper but eggs. Please fix. I do appreciate all you do to keep game interesting for high level players. I can see some people commenting from Supercell side and I started to agree with them. Like Jess commented, it is just a game. Thank you HayDay for continually making advancement. Bugs are to be expected and I for one know you will get it all worked out. Let's see how we can tackle Rose's problem. This is my farm and as you see, Rose is asking for more soybeans. Now, if you check my barn, I got 82 eggs, 73 bacons, 46 goat milk and 43 wool and 11 milk. So when I notice that Rose is collecting eggs and it get piled up in my barn, I ask her not to collect eggs. Instead, I set milk collection to 45 and the rest as you can see. And this trick worked fine for me. About higher collection of milk, I use like this in my dairy, and also milk is required for many products, so I don't have to worry about it. Now about the egg production. As paper is full with eggs, we can go there and buy some for us. In paper, you can find people selling eggs for less coin. Like this. He is selling 10 eggs for 50 coins. Or 10 eggs for 160 coins. So check full ad and select your seller. The eggs you produce or bought, you can do one thing as use them in production like I did. I use eggs to make cookies as cookies take 2 eggs. Also I keep running my pasta maker for this. Now HayDay can do one thing to make things good, and that is to introduce visitors bonus event. As this event come, visitors start asking for higher stock goods, which is now eggs, and people will started to sell them for higher coins instead of selling in paper. So we can get rid of some egg advertisements. Now announcement about Derby issue. HayDay said that they can't stop Derby in between. They will take step and solve Derby problem after present Derby ends. Hope all things will get smooth in next week. Thanks Supercell for making such amazing game and updating it to making it better and interesting for players. Like, comment and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.